went off.
Wind
This one's
from
from
this evening to late
KZZ31.
tomorrow evening. Impacts at 5.0 feet.
It went off.
Minor lowland flooding. Gauge at 8.0 feet. Right bank and approach to bridge is flooded. At 10.0 feet, houses downstream begin to take on water.
This one went off.
Additional
From
details at
KZZ31.
4:15 p.m. Tuesday, the stage was 3.0 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening to a crest of 9.8 feet tomorrow morning.
This one's KZZ31.
It will then fall below flood stage tomorrow afternoon. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. Flood history: this crest compares to a previous crest of 9.8 feet on December 28, 2023. http://www.weather.gov/